I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying what you already know and why it matters. If you have the area A, the side S equals SQRT, A. Once you see a perimeter P, divide by 4 to get S equals P/4. If someone gives the diagonal D, use S equals D/square root 2 because of the 45 degrees triangle inside the square. Make sure units match before you compute, otherwise your result will be wrong. Now pick the matching formula and get ready to calculate. Once you have the right formula, perform the arithmetic carefully. For S equals SQRT, A, press the square root key and verify the input value. For S equals P/4, do the division and check decimal places. When using S equals D/square 2, divide then rationalize mentally if needed, or use a calculator to get a decimal. Make sure to keep units attached to the number. If you need a precise answer, keep extra digits. For practical work, round sensibly to 2 or 3 significant figures. To finish, verify the side length by reversing the formula. Square your S to see if it matches the area, or multiply S by 4 to check the perimeter. Once done, make sure your units and rounding are consistent with the problem. If the recomputed value doesn't match the given one, recheck measurements and unit conversions. Common errors are mixed units or misread decimal points. If needed, measure again or ask for clarified input, and then repeat the calculation. This fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.